Hey everyone, I've got great news. I'm going to be at the Early Bird RV show in Abbotsford coming up here in February on the 19th, 20th, 21st, and 22nd. I'm going to be speaking all 4 days. I'll be talking about, getting out into being an RVer, all of the tips that we've learned over the years. I'm going to cover some of the tips from last year real quick, and I'm going to go into some new information this year. So please attend. Come say hi. Make sure you check the schedule, and there'll be a link in the description so you can see what time I'll be speaking each day. It might move around a little bit, so keep an eye on that. I'll make time afterwards for us to talk, and you can get tickets by just going to the link in the description. That'll take you straight there. I had so much fun last year. I met a whole lot of new people that I'm going to look forward to going back and saying hi to again this year. I got to meet so many folks out there who follow the channel, and I got so many new viewers there. That was great. And we gave away some cool stuff in the giveaway. So I'm really looking to put together something cool this year as well. Make sure you stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, comment below or head over to the website and give them a call. One way or another, we're going to get you there. Last time, we even had people coming up from Washington State. I've been looking forward to this show for months. I love these shows that have multiple vendors because this is where you can go see nearly all the models that are out there. Really get an idea on the specific model you want. Sometimes you can even pick up the exact RV right then and there. 2026 is lining up to be one of the best years since before the pandemic for buying an RV. I'm going to be talking a lot about that this season. Make sure you come down to the show, find your new RV, and get busy living. See you there.
It's RVing with Joe at the Early Bird RV show. Great rigs, great deals, and a place to go. Find your road trip home, let the good times roll. The adventure starts at the Early Bird RV show. Come say hello, we'll see you there. Down the road to adventure, the Early Bird RV show.
It's for people that have dogs, cats, kids, grandkids, husbands, whoever drags the dirt and mud in your house. Everybody wipes their feet off when they come in, but then they walk on your floors, and sure enough, that doesn't happen anyway. With the Miracle Mat, it's 60% cotton, 40% microfiber. You don't even have to wipe your feet as long as they step on it a couple times, nothing comes out on this end. Everyone's got a front and back door mat. You may also have one that stops the dirt from coming in. Isn't that the whole idea? Great for pets, great into RVs, campers, boats, and houses. Thank you.
Dude, that was 30 seconds perfect.